According to Insider Analytics, there's a $1 trillion global market for digital advertising, but three big names, Meta, we just talked about them, Amazon and Alphabet, they get just about half of that. So where does a Reddit fit in all this? Can they really just get significant market share? And also, where do you stand on their data licensing for AI and large language models, that business case?
Yeah, I think that business case, we'll start there, right? That's tough. Remember a few quarters ago where Papa John's was saying, hey, we're an AI company now, right? So the reality is that AI moves markets right now in a good direction. But a lot of these companies that are saying it doesn't necessarily make sense. Alphabet did that deal with them. That'll be interesting to see where it goes. But the reality is 60 million to Alphabet is a very small amount of money. And a lot of that data just isn't particularly proprietary and isn't super helpful in training those LLMs. And so I don't know that they're going to be an AI data business. Their CEO is saying, hey, don't look at us as just an AI data business because we might never be that. I think they're an ad business, and it's an ad business that's struggled a little bit because the content isn't always super brand safe. And they've not really found sort of the magic of a really high value ad unit. So certainly there are lots of devoted Redditors who are active every day, but I don't know how quickly that's going to turn to a profitable ad business.
Okay, that's a fair argument. By the way, I don't think the audience was expecting you to bring up Papa John's as at least they thought they were an AI play. I do want to focus on the digital ad spend. Obviously, that's a big part of the business for a Meta and an Alphabet and, of course, an Amazon. They get about half, again, of that $1 trillion in global digital ad spend. So can Reddit capture it? And if so, how do they capture it in your mind?
They'll continue to capture some of it, but it's tough, right? There are certain subreddits where it makes a ton of sense. I was looking at, don't judge me, a subreddit around loading the dishwasher the other day because I am very bad at it. That's something that if you sell dish detergent, you want to advertise against that subreddit, right?
We're judging you, by the way.
How much does that scale, though? And so I think that's really the question. I think there are areas like movie premieres where it makes a ton of sense. You have these active, thriving fan communities, these fandoms. And so there will be areas where it makes sense. But at scale, we still haven't seen advertisers jump ship from the Twitters, now X's of the world, over to other platforms that are a little bit edgier and riskier like Reddit.